Yes, it's lovely to get out and visit the plant trials where we see a wonderful variety of plants and flowers being tried, tested and selected. These trials measure how well plants will perform all in different parts of the country, and by visiting the trials we can see how well plants will grow in an environment similar to your own garden. Plants go through various garden trials where they are grown and tested for disease and weather resistance and flowering performance. Not just in pots, plants are also tested in display borders, pots or hanging baskets, growing just as they might in a regular garden. Plants aren't just tested over a few weeks, they are trialled over several years until a breeder is satisfied with the results for weather resistance and all-round garden performance. The trials really do show the plants off growing en masse. All types of flowering bedding, basket and perennial plants are being bred now to produce more flowers, with better fragrance, in bolder colours, with bigger and longer lasting flowers. For gardeners, this means better results, making our gardens more beautiful. Isn't that what we want from our gardening? Early summer is that wonderful time in the trials garden, when all the plants that have been nurtured and planted earlier in the season are really starting to come into their own. This mass of pretty petunias really does show you how well these top quality plants could perform in a bed or border in any garden. Absolutely smothering the ground with their colourful trumpet-shaped flowers. What a brilliant display, and not a chance of a weed sneaking in here. Wow, just look at this amazing waterfall of colour produced by these trailing geraniums. There is a mix of colour and varieties here in this spectacular display, showing these are top performers. When you go to a garden centre, they don't have the space to grow all the plants they sell, so this is the perfect time to show garden favourites which are really looking spectacular at the moment. Oh, for me, the exciting part of a plant trials is selecting new varieties. Our team visit many specialist growers, and it is always very competitive to find new and unusual varieties. Just look at this lovely petunia. A great example of a fabulous new variety. Plants like this are specially bred to produce flowers in new colours that are more robust and with a longer flowering period. Not just in borders, but also in pots and hanging baskets. As gardeners, we love to display plants in hanging baskets, where these begonias are really shown off to their best with big, bright blooms. Again, these plants are growing in the same way as in our own gardens, and with results like these, you can understand how these begonia illumination have become such a winner. Our team of experts travel the world looking for plants and flowers that will perform well in our gardens by visiting specialist growers and trial grounds like we have today. It gives you confidence to know that you're going to get plants that will perform well in your garden. And for me, well, we've had such a wonderful day here that it really does give a gardener inspiration.